guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about question number 15 and 16 from exercise 2.5. So first we will discuss about question number 15. Our question number 15 is give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. In this question we have to calculate possible expression for the length and breadth, and we have given the areas of rectangle. Here you can see the area 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and another area is also given. After that we will discuss. So our first area is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Now we will start the solution. So we know that area is equal to length into breadth. But we have given this expression, so we have to convert this expression in the form of length into breadth. So 25a square minus 35a plus 12. First we will break it. So here we will write 25a square minus, we can break it, so we can write 20a minus 15a. When we will plus it, then 35a will come plus 12. Now we will make the pairs. Now we will take common. So 5a will take common from this. Then 5a will left. 5 5 ja 25 and 5 4 ja. So 5a minus 4 will come. In this also we will take common, then we can take common 3, then 5a minus 4 will left. Then again we can take common 5a minus 4. Then 5a minus 3 will be left. So this is our possible expression. So we can say this is length and this is breadth. So one possible expression is length is equal to 5a minus 4 and breadth is equal to 5a minus 3. So this is our first part. Now we will do second part. In this also we will do same. So we will start the solution. In this we have given this area 35y square plus 13y minus 12. So we know that area is equal to length into breadth. And we have given this expression. First we have to convert this expression in the form of length into breadth. 35y square plus 13y minus 12. First we will break it. 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Now we will make the pairs so that we can take common. So here we will take common 7y, then 5y plus 4 will be left. In this also we will take common, then minus 3 we will take common. So 5y plus 4 will be left. Again we will take common 5y plus 4, then 7y minus 3 will be left. So this is our length and this is our breadth. So we can say that one possible expression is length is equal to 5y plus 4 and breadth is equal to 7y minus 3. So this is the solution of the areas. And now our question number 16 is what are the possible expression for the dimensions of cuboids whose volumes are given below. In this question, we have to calculate the possible expression for the dimensions of cuboids, and we have given the volumes. Now we will start the solution. We know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So first we have to convert this expression in the form of length into breadth into height. So 3x square minus 12x. Now we will take common from this. So here we can take 3x, then x will remain minus 4. Now this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So one possible answer is length is equal to 3, breadth is equal to x, and height is equal to x minus 4. Now our second part is 12k y square plus 8k y minus 20k. Now we will start the solution. We know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So first we will convert it in the form of length into breadth into height. So here 12k y square plus 8k y minus 20k. Now we will take common 4k. Then 3y square plus 2y minus 5. After that 3y square we will break it. So here 5y minus 3y minus 5. Now we will make the pairs. Now we can take common y, then 3y plus 5. Now we will take minus 1, then 3y plus 5 will be left. Again 4k. Now we will take common 3y plus 5, y minus 1 will be left. Now it is converted in the form of length, breadth and height. So we can say this is length, this is breadth and this is height. So one possible answer is length is equal to 4k, breadth is equal to 3y plus 5 and height is equal to y minus 1. So this is our final answer. Friends, if you have any doubt related to these questions, then you can write in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much.